Okay, that's good. How that works. Well, let's see here. You know, I gotta put something on the ground here because shit falls,
Yeah?
and then you can't find it.
Here, you want to use my jacket?
You got a magnet?
No.
Oh, I found it. I can't believe it.
You want me to put my jacket down there?
No, we need a fucking tarp down there. I'll find one.
I got a tarp. I know where one is.
Maybe this way. Right? Are you missing something here? Am I missing something? I'm missing something in my brain. I'm missing something in my brain.
Yeah. It's rough when you're missing your brain day. Almost got it out. Gonna take a break, put some dunnage under it. Right now we're hooked up on the engine mounting bracket. What's up? I'm doing some documentation of our escapades here. Okay, this is the setup, which is sketchy as fuck. Pardon my language. Sketchy. Alright. I got it bolted to the bed. Chains. Where's Grandpa?
What are you doing over here?
Hey, get off my property, old man.
What's that thing sticking out of here?
Oh, I don't know.
I think it's having twins.
That's one of those things, you know, eh?
Wow.
Alright, hang on, I gotta show this. Well, it's not squatting no more because we took the weight off of it. But I'm kind of worried the truck's gonna flip over.
Hey, where'd my water go, man?
Your pink one, I put it on the ground by the tire last time.
Over here?
Yeah, on that side. Alright, fun stuff, fun stuff.
Well, crud.
We'll find it.
Fucking thirsty.
That's about right. It's probably gonna tilt that way towards you. So you might want to pull forward a little bit.
We got to turn the engine so those ends rest on those. And then,
Oh, you think it'll sit upright? That's a really tall engine.
Yeah, it'll set upright. That's fine. 8 inches, that's,
You want to turn it 90 degrees, is what you're saying?
yeah, and set it down on those.
Okay, let me lower it down. See where we're at.
Well, this is the Wagner Ranch, and we got some heavy equipment operations here. Once we find out what kind of motor this is, we can tear it all apart and put all new parts in it. And hey, I like your rigmarole you got over here. That's kind of sketchy, but well, I guess it worked. And
Whoa, super bright. Oh, John Deere did it. Now we gotta get it off. Put it on here.
oh, hey, it's on.
It's going?
It's going. It's on.
Right, we're live.
We're live
We'll do it live.
in the backyard.
We finally got it on there.
Got what on there?
This hunk of steel. That's actually cast iron.
Oh, you got one of those engine
IHs.
stand things.
There's an IH here.
Oh, okay. That means
Show the audience our spacers. That looks crooked, don't it? That looks like it's kind of banana-y.
International Hellster or Hell or something.
Yeah, Hellister.
Piece of
truck. Don't trip over that stuff.
Nice and dark in here.
Well, the light is on the opposite side of the.
I think the sun went down. Is going down, maybe.
Ooh.
Told you to put that away.
We were using it. That's a lot of work.
I gotta get 20 feet away now because you want me to put it on.
Wow, I never had such a crybaby cameraman.
Man.
Who's about to die. The cameraman never dies, Dave.
Holy mackerel! I gotta fall down. I gotta get over into Collier County to get this in here.
All right, just took the valve cover off, and it looks pretty rusty. I don't know if this is still good. It's gonna be really hard getting these bolts off without breaking them, because it looks like the head bolts are underneath this. These look like nuts. Might be able to get to it with a wrench, not sure. That probably needs replaced. No good. Juicy.
Okay.
This just spins. That shouldn't do that. This is the crankshaft. So I think the key broke off on this pulley. I'm guessing it shouldn't do that. I mean, I don't see how you're gonna drive belts with that just floating. These are gonna have to come off. Ooh. here. Whoa. These pistons are like hollowed out. See if you can see. Let's see. Can you see that? There's like a cavity in there. Interesting. Alright, looks like Grandpa took the water pump off. Right here. Pleasant little surprise. Whoa. Now, I don't know. Take this off. Gonna have to switch this around, I think. Okay. Alright, just took the front cover off. That's a lot of gears.
So that's your crankshaft right there. That is your hydraulic pump.
I don't know what this is.
I think that's hydraulic.
This might be the oil pump. Maybe the oil's the other side.
The
No, this is the oil.
water pump is right there.
No, the oil? I don't know. Not much to fail on that, huh? Sandblast it.
That thing is really smooth. Look at that. It's very smooth. It's not making any racket. I don't know. You might want to replace it, but it seems
If
like
it works, I mean, why replace it? All right, this is that weird tachometer thing. Oh, that's gonna get lost. We gotta store that with
put that in
the thing. I'll hold on to it while you rummage.
There's no spring or anything there.
It just slots into that. All right. It's a little crusty in there. I wonder if that happened when we took that off.
Well, you have to go through everything, don't you?
It's probably one of the first ones I put in the bucket.
There it is. Right here. That's okay.
So, yeah, we can't take it out this way. It has to come out that way from the back.
You should take a good picture of that.
Well, we got solid video.
Yeah, but you need where's the timing marks at on it?
Good question. Good question. It's usually like a
That's the
divot.
water pump.
2 divots here.
Really?
Yeah, you see the divots?
Okay, so there should be something on this.
And then 2 divots here. What about? And that looks like 2 divots crossways here. Where am I?
What about
Maybe this one.
On the crankshaft? There should be some marks on this thing here.
There should be. Yeah, here's a pin. The camera can see better than I can. Yeah, there's like a hole here
Okay, so maybe that's a line.
with a pin in it.
Okay, good. I'm glad you got that now.
All right, shut her down. It's not moving at all? I thought.
I thought it was. It might just.
It don't look rounded.
It felt like it was slipping off. It's not that tight either on there.
You see, we can't turn it because it's seized.
See how
I told you, 11/16, but 5/8 is too small.
How about a metric one then?
This is some kind of weird metric shit on a 50-year-old engine.
Well, it's made in Germany.
It was?
I think they're.
Oh, they're made in England. That's right. I think they are made in England. So it could be metric. We're gonna need that one for sure.
It comes tune-up time. So 13. It's not 19.
It's probably 15. Looks
Okay.
close to 15.
Well,
We'll see. Oh, even bigger.
oh my
That was
God, it's
perfect.
17.
What the frick? Ooh. Scary.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's not too. A regular box set might go in there if we had a 17.
I might have.
A regular 17.
Oh, okay.
That's a 19. We'll see if the 19 will go in there. Then we'll know. It's an 8.
Here's a regular 17.
Okay, good.
It's little though.
Yeah, it's all right. We don't have to turn it to, you know what, hair.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's take a tap on that now. Type it down in there. Pretty good.
Oof. Did it go?
I don't know if I knocked it sideways or what.
You want to put the cheater bar on it?
No. I just want to tap it. Keep my hand on it down here.
Something's good.
I need the bigger hammer. That little piece.
There's the Mega Hammer,
We need this in here.
the rubber one's down there if you need
Put
it.
some pressure on it. Well, it moved because now it's down in it on here.
Oh, there she goes.
Well, we keep going.
I think you're hitting the block now.
Really.
All right, so that's the issue.
That's the end of that.
All right, we managed to get it off. This nut. Now we'll see if the taps will come off.
They're pretty. Nothing to get on to hold on to.
Think some vice grips on here, maybe? Yank up on it?
Maybe.
I gotta go get them.
Well, how come we didn't take this off? Oh, I couldn't get it off. That's right.
Think Big Red will help? Ooh, there you go.
Actually, get loose, but. There we go. Come on.
No, it looks like it's going. There we go. Okay, got everything loose. Now we gotta switch the location of the engine stand so we can take the crankshaft out. So we gotta prepare the hoist. The wheel is frozen. Oiling it up. And hopefully this thing holds up. Alright, just gotta take the cam gear off or the whole camshaft out. And I don't understand how this works. This looks like a key of some sort, and this is like a screw? I don't know. These holes here line up. This one lines up perfectly with that. And then this one does not. I can't get a socket on that. But I can. No, I can't get a wrench behind it either. It's just no space. So I'm gonna have to look up how this works. And over here on the cam, so we turn the cam. We got this much play before it starts hitting the lobes, the tappets. And I noticed under this little journal or whatever, here is some kind of a screw, some kind of a threaded bolt like passing through there. Here's the end. I think my lens is dirty. Hang on. Oh. And then this looks like some sort of replaceable metal. I don't want to really mess with that. I don't know. Gotta look it up. Not even sure what engine this is yet. I think it's a D239. Can't pull the crank out with this plate still on it. Maybe it can, but it's not easy. Tried it and it wouldn't go. So that's that. Here's the setup. Pretty messy little workspace. Anyway, here's the tractor. I'm calling it quits for today. Not even sure which model it is. I think it's a 3514. And I have a book supposedly on this backhoe, on this implement. Not sure what it is. I have to look at the book again. But it needs repaired. I gotta weld that. Clap this back onto the ramrod. And probably redo some of the hydraulics. I don't know if any of this works. It's a pretty cool tractor. I mean, this thing's humongous. Steering wheel is like head height. It's all hydraulic steering. Need to clean it out. I'm gonna paint it Farmall red. Ooh. Hang on. That's no good. Probably should cap these. I didn't expect it to get that dirty. Yeah. Yeah, what you got? Okay. Sure. Sounds good, thanks. There's Bumblebee. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna look good red. It's got some rust on it. Rust hole here. It's all rusted out there. And this whole seat mechanism needs redone. Everything. Here's the starter. Just to get an idea how massive. Oof. Thing weighs 30 pounds, 40 pounds. And I got this. The roll cage off of an old case, like an 80s case 580. I think, I want to say. And it's not going to match up, obviously, but I'll make it work. I'm not going to run that thing without some kind of rollover protection. Here's the hood. Very nice. International. This thing is bulletproof. Here's the thing that ruined the engine. Supposedly, number one cylinder is stuck. I'm gonna rebuild the whole thing anyway. Having fun. Alright, that's probably good. Gonna go and eat.